Hi, my name is Lindsay and I'm a registered massage therapist. I rate numbers 4 out of 5. If you want more reviews like this, click the link below. So, with the previous document kind of options that were on my computer, I wasn't able to do all the things that I can do with numbers. And unfortunately, it was just really complicated and difficult to understand. So, I had to choose something else like numbers. I chose numbers because of the convenience. It is so easy to work with, it's very easy to understand. There's also kind of checkpoints throughout that have step by step options to help me kind of understand any of the little lingo or the numbers that I'm not familiar with. But I love how easy it is, it auto saves, as well as just the different colors that you can actually choose from, especially when it comes to my business. Color coordinating is very important. So I have to say, getting started with numbers was probably the easiest thing ever. There's step-to-step options on there that really help you understand, especially as a registered massage therapist. We have so much going on in our practice that we really want to make sure that all of our invoices and etc. get done effectively and very easy. So numbers definitely helped me with that, and it was so helpful. It was so helpful for me to actually achieve my goals as a professional. If you are looking for a software that is really easy to understand, it's versatile, it auto saves, and you are just someone who goes with their business, this is 100% the software for you.